this page I write my last confession. Read it well when I at last am sleeping. It's a story of those who always loved you. Your mother gave her life to you, then gave you to my king.
Come with me where chains will never bind you. All your grief at last behind you. Lord in heaven, have mercy.
Forgive me all my trespasses and take me to your